What is up, guys? It is Bro Cracker back again. We're going to take a look at these MAMMONs from Boom. Wow. These are repos of the old school, the OG, if you will. Let's take a look at this. Let's get into it. Get you guys over here. We're going to be opening this brick up with the CEV Chronic. Very nice little blade here, guys. Let's take a look-ski. These are repos of some OGs, boys, OGs. The old ones had daisies. I'm sure these will not be striped or nothing. These should be... Ooh, that thing is fucking sharp, boys. I think I cut us some crackers up, boys. Didn't mean to do that. These are daisies. That would be pretty cool. Of course, we're going to try to save that label. So you know how we do it, boys. We get it from the back. Get it from the back, boys. Alright, here we go. Get you guys up here, take a look. Let's have this cardboard. The only time I've ever seen this, guys, is the older black cat and ladyfinger bricks were wrapped like this under red wrap. The only time I've seen that in that scenario. So we'll put it back up here, boys. Let's get one out. Oh, gotta cut this band. There we go. There they are. Pretty cool. Like usual, we're going to go ahead and open one up for you guys. Check them out. I'm sure they're going to be your standard new all red crackers, guys, and they are. No sticky packaging. We already have a straggler, boys. We got a straggler. Kind of like they glued the packaging to the crackers right here. Very hard to get them off. Packaging is literally fucking glued to them. We'll leave that little bit of packaging on there. But there they are, guys. I've never seen these, never shot these. And we'll definitely try to get a video on that. That one's still hanging on for dear life. Look at it. We're going to check these out, boys. See how they are. And guess what we got, guys? More and more fucking packs. You know how to do it, guys. Take it easy.